Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade drone components in Last War Survivor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So upgrading your drone components boosts your drone stats for battles, making it more effective in both PvE and PvP. So what we need to do is unlock your drone component. So you first need to unlock your drone in the game. So keep leveling up until you unlock that. Then components like weapon, armor, engine, and chip drop from drone mission events or can be bought in the drone workshop. Then from there, simply go to your drone workshop. So tap your base, find the drone workshop building and enter it. You'll see the drone components menu. Then from there, simply select the component. So choose which component you want to upgrade. For example, weapons, armor, etc. You see its current level, stats, and upgrade requirements. Then from there, you simply just need to gather the required or gather upgraded materials. So you need component parts and sometimes specific resources like alloy or chips. You can get these from radar missions, events, drone campaign stages, alliance store, and also in-app packs, which is optional. Then from the upgrade, so tap upgrade when you have enough materials. Each upgrade increases the stats, and higher levels may require rarer materials or blueprints. Also use merging for higher quality. So if you have multiple low quality components, you can merge these into higher quality ones before upgrading for better results. This saves materials long term because higher quality components scale a lot better.